Hello friends, welcome back to the Thrust of Curiosity. I'm Yugen Kulkarni, guiding you to prepare for CSIR NET examination in physical science. Recently, the CSIR notification is out, and we can see this on the website csirnta.nic.in. Or after opening this website, you can see this. Here you can see the public notice is mentioned here. You can download this, so you can see who can apply this subject. Only 5 subject students can apply for this, and last date of submission of payment or the registration is 10th April, and then after 12th April you will get a correction window if there are any corrections in your application form. And tentative dates of exam are in June 2023. You can also download the brochure from the same website. You can see here in information, you will get information bulletin. Now you can download this from here. You can see all the details are there in this brochure. You can see what is NTA and what is CSIR NET eligibility criteria. You can see details of examination and all the details you can see. Then you can also see there are some annexures. Here you can see what are the mode of payment you can do with this registration, and all other documents are also there. There is a attestation form for result awaited category. Those candidates who have not passed MSc examination, those candidates should submit the result awaited form. So here it is mentioned, you can download that and take print of that, take sign of your principal or HOD, and that you have not cleared the MSc examination. So those who are already cleared the examination, those students do not need to fill the form, but those who are in MSc first year or MSc second year, they have to apply for this. They have also given the formats of OBC certificate, SC certificate, EWS certificates, and so on. In annexure 15, you can see replica of application form. Here they have given how to fill the application form step by step. So if you are new to this NET examination, you have not filled the form or you have not registered earlier, then you can go to this annexure and you can see how to fill up the form. And there are also some other annexures also you can see according to your category and according to your subjects. There are also, you can see for different I will just quickly show you. For different subjects there is a different, yes, you can see marking scheme is there. So for chemical science, for earth science, life science, mathematical science, and physical science. So you can see the system is different for everyone. So you can see according to your subjects. So you can also see, okay, I will show you here in the replica of application form. You can see how to fill the form. When you go to this, okay, I will go to home. You can see here CSIR NET June registration. So when you click on this, you will see this, and then after applying here, you can see, so they have given step by step what you will see next, so there is much easier to fill the form. Those who are doing this first time, you don't need to go to your internet cafe, you can do it on your phone or on your laptop. So stay tuned with me to get more updates on CSIR NET. Thank you.